Alright, today's March 28, 2025. It's about 2:15 in the afternoon. This is my Dynam ME 262. It's 4-cell to begin with. I upgraded it to AL37 motors and EFCs, and now flying on 6-cell battery. I got to be very careful on takeoff, because it wants to jump up and do a loop. So hold it on the ground as long as you can. Be with me, Lord. That's it. Boy, it sure sounds better than that when it was a Dynam. A little bit windy out there today. Probably 15-mile-an-hour wind. That's it. You know, this is an airplane you do not use flaps on. No flaps. I think I better give it another click up the elevator. Fine, okay. Oh yeah, that's better. It held its altitude. Yeah. I have to come in from the east now, because that wind is kind of strong. Alright, now is where I want to cut the motor. Let it keep on coming in. Give it a little bit more. A little bit more. Now it's just about over the runway. Oh! I thought it would go a little further to the runway. Oh well, hey, it flew. Not a bad little flyer.